In this video, I'll show you how to write YouTube scripts with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate structured scripts for tutorials, reviews, or educational videos. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a YouTube script. For example, I might type, "Write a YouTube script explaining how to start a podcast." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a structured script, usually including an introduction, the main steps or sections, and a closing. If I want the script to follow a specific format, I can include that in my prompt. For example, I might type, "Write a YouTube tutorial script with a short intro, step-by-step instructions, and a call to action." Claude can also help adjust the tone, length, or style depending on the type of video I'm creating. Once the script is ready, I can copy the text and use it when recording my video. And that's it. I've successfully created a YouTube script using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.